Thailand is about to change the course of its history and how the world will look at them. The mega projects that they're currently working on are going to be the result of billions of dollars and countless hours that go into their creation. A country that was once looked at as one of the poorest countries in the world is ready to challenge that image hands-on, and these mega projects will be the reason they can win. Starting off with number 10, the Eastern Economic Corridor. The Eastern Economic Corridor will eventually transform Thailand's eastern region into its EEC, a high-tech hub. The mega project concerns Chonburi, Rayong, and Chachoengsao, all set to attract foreign investment and stir the economy through sectors like technology, logistics, and clean energy. Imagine a very developed city with lots of high-tech and smart cities and innovation hubs, almost like Thailand's Silicon Valley. The government spent billions of dollars improving infrastructure, new roads, new railways, new ports. And by the way, speaking of ports, if you thought that traffic in your hometown was bad, wait until you get to Rayong at rush hour. Sometimes you just wonder if you took a wrong turn and find yourself in a parking lot. This will translate to creating millions of jobs. This is going to significantly contribute to the GDP of Thailand. So next time you're there, watch out for drones that are delivering your Thai iced tea. At number 9, we have the high-speed rail link. This link promises to connect Bangkok to prime cities like Pattaya and Hua Hin, dreamed up of being raised to 250 kilometers an hour like most karaoke songs. It's not about speed of a mega project, but making the transportation system as smooth as possible, with the minimum time taken in travel, easing congestion, and improving tourism. Rather than getting stuck in traffic for hours, you would be sipping coconut water and appreciating the countryside view of Thailand. The stations are going to be designed to be modern and user-friendly, so both locals and tourists would love traveling. Remember not to forget your snack on the train, because what is worse than coming up on an hour journey with no crispy pork skin in your snack pack? Number 8. New Bangkok Airport. The Suvarnabhumi Airport has been under construction since its reveal in the year 2006. Since international traffic is surging, it should more than double the capacity of what must have been over 100 million passengers per year, what a number of tourists must be seeking the ideal to take on an airport for a good Instagram shot. It's going to be one of the biggest airports in Southeast Asia, and then there is a second passenger terminal and a third runway. Imagine you're not enclosed inside a bustling marketplace, but walk through the spacious terminals with shopping and dining facilities. This strategically positioned Suvarnabhumi Airport will surely ensure that it becomes a throttle point for tourism and trade, and indeed is an excellent addition to the infrastructural landscape of Thailand. But let's get serious though. If you're anything like me, you'll end up lost in the airport again, missing your flight. At least then you can enjoy some very fantastic Thai food while you await the next one. Number 7. Digital Economy Initiatives in Thailand. This is the effort to transform the country into a regional leader in technology and digital services. This mega project is all about the promotion of e-commerce and internet connectivity, as well as innovation in different fields. And when all these startups and these hubs pop up across this great nation, Thailand aims to be a tech-loving tourism destination. Imagine a world where every little thing, starting from ordering food to the next bill, is facilitated through a few taps on your smartphone. And you could not forget the boom of the digital nomad style, where from some beach in Phuket you can carry on with your work there. Of course, this comes with their own set of difficulties, such as when you can try and locate a trustworthy Wi-Fi connection and enjoy a sip of your coffee on the beach while working. But again, who says that remote working is easy? And number 6 is Dawei Deep Seaport and Industrial Estate. The long-term goal is to make this seaport a vital trade link connecting Thailand with its neighboring countries such as Myanmar. This deep seaport will take in large-sized vessels, making it the trade hub in the region. This project will have an industrial estate which shall attract foreign investment and promote employment. One might almost say that it is the reply to the question that best describes Thailand's current confusion. How do we bring in more international goods without losing our sanity at customs? This mega project promises to generate thousands of jobs, transforming Dawei into a bustling economic center. However, the development has faced challenges, including environmental concerns and social impact on local communities. Efforts are ongoing to ensure that the project benefits the local population while fostering sustainable growth. Honestly, this port itself can deliver ample benefit, but the challenge that shall most probably arise here is to avoid asking you to buy local fishing while navigating through a bundle of containers. Number 5. Bangkok's Chao Phraya Express Boat. It is one of the world's major tourist attractions in Bangkok, also an essential part of the transportation fabric of the city, upgrading a means of transportation on the river that has been serving locals for decades. but could and will be made much more efficient and environmentally friendly and still serve as an alternative solution to notorious Bangkok traffic. The boat flows through the city and gives a panoramic view of temples and skyscrapers in lieu of a headache caused by traffic. Don't lean over the edge too far though. There's a reason why you don't feed the fish in the river. With the extension of this project, both tourists and residents can travel along a beautiful route while avoiding the chaotic roads of Bangkok. And honestly, nothing screams vacation mode like sailing leisurely past the Grand Palace. Number 4. Smart Cities Initiative. This one will change urban spaces to be more efficient, sustainable, and technological. Cities like Phuket, Chiang Mai, and Khon are at the head of this transformation, developing infrastructure, transportation, and quality of life for people. Picture this: intelligent traffic lights that adjust in real time to reduce congestion, air quality sensors, and green buildings compete for the most energy efficient, fueled by solar power. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, minus the flying cars. At least, not yet. And while this whole idea of smart cities is thrilling, let's just hope the smart part actually goes to the smartphone applications we use being able to work when we need it the most. Because there's nothing worse than losing the smart vibe of a city by ending up in the wrong part of town because your GPS chose that day to go on a permanent vacation. Number 3. Rojana Industrial Park. This is an industrial estate of gigantic size in Ayutthaya. This is a mega project for foreign investment and a space for manufacturing, logistics, and technology companies. This is a place where so many international companies are housed. The entire place is crucial for the economy of Thailand. Therefore, I can say it's a mini city where firms come together, innovate, and collaborate without falling prey to the infamous office potluck, where one gets stuck with 3-day-old curry for dinner. With the most advanced facilities and infrastructure, the Rojana Industrial Park will be an important part of Thailand's industrial growth and competitiveness on the world stage. Just remember, if you ever visit, bring your hard hat because safety should always be your #1 priority. Isn't that right? Number 2. Bangkok MRT Purple Line. Bangkok is a city that is pretty chucked up with the unorganized traffic corners and the poor transportation systems that they have right now. But no need to worry about that, because the MRT Purple Line is all ready to solve that problem. The 23-kilometer stretch connects the principal areas of Bangkok and all of its suburbs. So when you need to get from point A to point B, you haven't got to be apprehensive of those notorious traffic jams of Bangkok, you know, the snail race. Another notable line is the Purple Line for its affordability. The daily working class and up to students can reach it. It passes through several neighborhoods, connecting the residents to important services, educational institutions, and commercial areas, hence contributing to the socio-economical development of the city. The new line gives commuters clean and efficient ways of traveling. Remember to bring your phone in case you might want to photograph that rare moment of peace on a crowded train by camera. Number 1. Bangkok's Megacity Plan. Last but definitely not least is the Megacity Plan of Bangkok. This is an ambitious project geared towards transforming the capital into a modern urban center with improved infrastructure and public service. This megacity includes transportation, housing, and environmental sustainability developments. The vision is that of a city catering to its residents, yet retaining that unique charm that makes Bangkok special. Imagine more green spaces, pedestrian-friendly streets, and better public transportation options. Essentially, a Bangkok where you can actually see the sky instead of just the rooftops. And although this is ambitious, it is also necessary. Who wouldn't want to walk around a city where people do not feel like bumper cars? From the Eastern Economic Corridor to Bangkok's Megacity Plan, this Southeast Asian country is shaping up a future as ambitious and interesting as it will be different. These are megaproject undertakings, a reshaping in landscape form and economy, and creating growth and innovation to take full advantage of. To find out more, make sure you click the like button below and subscribe, and thank you for watching. In this video, these megaprojects were destined to change the world, until they were left unfinished. Click to uncover the stories behind the biggest projects that never saw completion.